Hello everyone and welcome back, it's Civil Guy here, and today we have an unboxing of the Blackweb Wide Angle dash cam. As always, be sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you won't miss my next video, and also give the video a like, it helps. Anyway, I walked into Walmart and I came across this amazing looking display with $20 HD dash cameras. The skeptic in me kind of figured that this wasn't actually going to be any good quality, but I kind of figured, hey, it's Walmart, I don't think they're going to scam their customers, it's not going to be like eBay, let me go ahead and give it a shot, and so I decided to buy it. And boy, was I wrong. Alright, so this is the box, this is what it looks like. It looks actually fairly decent on the outside. I haven't opened it up yet, but let's go ahead and check it out. Alright, so there's this little tab here, you just have to pull that back. And then you have to lift the top of the box open, lift that flap, these two flaps. And as you can tell, everything is just kind of compacted inside. Don't expect any Apple packaging, this isn't super fancy, it's 20 bucks. Alright, so you get an instruction manual. Obviously, it tells you how to run the camera. I don't really need this. I'm just going to fast forward through all of this. You also get a support number, so if you need to contact customer service for any reason, I guess you can. And here's the camera and the other accessories that come with it. It comes with a suction cup. Basically, you put this on your windshield, you just have to pull that tab up, you can twist this little knob here, and I guess you can adjust it to whatever you're liking. I'm just going to set that to the side here. And also in the package, we also get a mini USB to USB cable. That's pretty unusual. Usually we see micro USB cables with these kind of things. And we also get a car charger, so you can just hook this up directly into your car and plug it in that way. So yeah. And last but not least, the camera is still stuck in the cardboard. You just got to pull these two tabs out and voila, there's the camera. It's free, and that's what it looks like. Yeah, pretty cheap, huh? Alright, now as I look on the back of the screen, it looks pretty scratched up. I'm assuming this is probably a returned model. Maybe somebody decided to bring it back, and now it's in my hands. There was not even a plastic sleeve over the back of the camera. I mean, what was I expecting for so many bucks? But still, I mean, hey, I purchased one and it has a scratched screen already. I mean, cool, I guess. Anyway, obviously the lens doesn't turn, you can't focus or, defocus. Oh, and another thing, one of the advantages of getting a camera like this, it comes with its own micro SD card. It's 8 gigabytes. Now, it doesn't sound too impressive, but hey, you get a free micro SD card with the purchase. So I guess that's where part of the $20 is going towards. Alright, so now I'm going to adjust this suction cup connector thing on the top of the camera, and we'll see what it looks like. I'm not going to put it in the car yet, but basically it just fits on here just like this. You just have to slide it on, and like I said, just pull that little tab up and smack it up there on your windshield and start recording. Now there is a battery in this camera, it's just not charged all the way, so I have to hook it up to my external battery source, and we'll see what it looks like with power. Alright, after looking at this for just a few seconds, this camera is already giving me the heebie-jeebies, and I'm having deja vu because I think I've come across an action camera that has the same menu system and same intro sound effect and same everything that this camera has. If not, it appears that this camera is actually missing a few features that the the other camera that I bought has. This is interesting. Wow. Yeah, one thing I also noticed is that once I plug this camera into something, it automatically goes straight to recording, which is probably not a bad thing, because once you start your car, you have this thing recording. But one thing I did not notice is that what if you overwrite video that you've already filmed? Is there any way you can prevent the camera from automatically overwriting files that are already saved on the camera? I don't know. Maybe I need to read the instructions. Now I'm just going to do a little side-by-side comparison between the menu systems, because they look so too familiar. I mean, they look so too similar to each other, and it's kind of scary a little bit, but at the same time, what can you expect from something that costs less than 20 bucks? And if I open up both menu systems, you're going to see that they both have the same icons, have the same bluish and yellow menu select option thingy. The graphics look the same. It's probably coming from the same company. I don't know, but this is kind of a low for Walmart. I'm just surprised that they would put this in their stores to sell it to people, but they have. Overall, it's just a menu system. We're gonna go into the video clips and what they actually look like in a second, but overall, you know, these two cameras, they're not the best in the world. They're not true 1080p HD. So if you're looking for something with HD video quality, I would suggest buying something else, because this is not it. This is definitely not it. Alright, so here's some test clips. Please enjoy. Now, should you buy this? Is this a camera worth buying? Honestly, this is 100 times better than the action camera, that very first action camera I did an unboxing on probably several months ago. This is extremely better than that. I will give them credit for that. It looks better. It does hold an image pretty decently. It does look good at night. When you're filming at night, you can actually see things and everything's not just a big blob. Things are legible. It's better to have a camera than to not have one at all. So whenever you're driving, I would suggest getting a dash cam in general. But if you're trying to find an inexpensive and kind of disposable camera, I would say, yeah, go ahead and buy this. But if you need something that will pick up license plates, or you need that extra quality or all that stuff, if you're a truck driver, for instance, I would suggest avoiding this product by all means. Go get you something better, spend $20 more. You can even spend like $10 more and get something of some decent quality. All I'm saying is, you're getting what you're paying for. There are cameras out there, $20, that can give you actual legit 1080p quality videos, but this camera is just not it. I'm ashamed of Walmart for branding this camera as a 1080p action camera. If they just had said, oh, it's a DV dash cam that you can put in your car, you know, I'd let it slide. But because they put 1080p HD on the box, I do have a problem with that. So I'm gonna say, don't buy this. But if you are a cheap person and you feel inclined to buying this, go right ahead. But hopefully yours doesn't have a scratched screen like mine, and yeah, hopefully everything works out for you. And like usual, I just want to say thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Hopefully it helped you out. If it did, hit that subscribe button and hit the like button. Also, I just can't thank you all so much. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers. It's crazy, mind-boggling how far this channel has come a few weeks ago all the way up until now. Thank you so much for all the support, and we'll see you in the next video.